The TikTok creativity program is actually making a lot of waves right now. This program is actually in its beta phase, and a lot of people are utilizing the program to go on to making some cool cash right there every single day right now. And guys, people make up to thousands of dollars just by utilizing a single video right now on this program, and that is quite cool and amazing. If you want to check in how much the TikTok creativity program pays, you will find out that they pay up to about $2 to $4 per 1,000 videos right now. And a lot of people are quite satisfied with that right there, because TikTok actually gets lots and lots of traffic right now. Based on similar web statistics, you will find out that TikTok gets about 2.3 billion visits in just last month right now, and that's a huge amount of traffic TikTok actually did get. And now you can also go on to getting thousands and millions of views to that your particular video right now. And if you're getting thousands and millions of views, meaning that you're going to be making hundreds and thousands of dollars from just one single video if you're on the TikTok creativity program, and that's absolutely quite cool right now. I'm going to walk you through the requirements of actually joining the TikTok creativity program, and I'm also going to show you how you can actually create simple videos and make money with the TikTok creativity program right now. So guys, if you're familiar with TikTok creativity program, you should know this by already right now, that you can just simply go into generating original content, and those content need to be at least 1 minute long, and you can actually then go on to uploading that on TikTok and utilizing that right there to go on to making money with the TikTok creativity program. You can actually go on to checking out the eligibility to becoming or joining the TikTok creativity program right now. As you can see, you need to have at least a US based account right now, and that can actually be easily bypassed by getting someone in the United States to create an account, then before passing that over to you. And there are some other countries that this is actually available to right now, like Brazil, United Kingdom, and there are about 5 or 4 thereabouts right there. But if your country is not among that, you just need to get someone in the United States to create that account, or you can actually go on to changing your account location to the United States right there, and that's actually going to work. You need to be at least 18 years old right there. That's actually easily bypassed, because you can just simply get someone above the year 18 to go on to creating the account for you, and you could utilize that right there. So you can see right here, you need to have at least 10,000 followers right now. As you can see, this is quite much more if you're actually comparing that to normal YouTube subscribers right there, where you need about 1,000 followers, but right now it has actually been reduced to 500 subscribers right now. But you can see right there on TikTok, that's actually quite much right there, about 10,000 followers, because getting followers on TikTok are quite much more easier to go on to gaining. So if you're actually creating the right set of videos, guys, you can easily get these followers in a matter of a month right there. You could also see right here that you need to have at least 100,000 video views in just simply the last 30 days. That's actually much, but it is easy to go on to gaining access to that or acquiring that amount of views in just 30 days right now. So if you're actually creating some cool kinds of videos, you can actually go on to doing that right there on this platform right now. If you do compare that to normal YouTube right here, you can see that for YouTube, normal subscribers, you need to get about 500 subscribers, 3 valid public upload. You need to have either 3,000 valid public watch hours, which was previously 4,000 watch hours, but now 3,000, or 3 million valid public short views, and you'll be eligible for the YouTube funds right there, or the YouTube creator program. And you can see right now, this is actually for the YouTube short right now. Okay, this was what was previously on the YouTube shorts, which was about 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 valid watch hours, or 10 million public short views. And right now, guys, you can actually see right here that you can just simply compare that with TikTok, and you may seem that TikTok is actually quite higher or much more difficult, but it is actually much more easier to gaining access to right now. And supposing you are not on the TikTok creator fund right now, or supposing you are not on the TikTok creativity program right here, you are automatically on the TikTok creator fund. And if you want to just simply go on to joining the TikTok creativity program, guys, you need to actually go onto your TikTok account. You need to click on this particular section, go onto the settings section, and you'll be able to see the TikTok creator fund. If you do click on the TikTok creator funds, you can actually click on that and change that to the creativity fund. And guys, once you are changing from the creator to the creativity fund, you need to actually find that note that you're never going to be able to come back to the creator fund right there, because for the creator fund you actually do get paid quite a lot more less, which is about 20 cents to about 40 cents for every 1,000 views. But the TikTok creativity fund pays you about about $2 to about $4 for every 1,000 views right there. That's actually quite higher than the creator fund right now. But note that if you do change from the creator fund to the creativity program, you're never going to be allowed to go on to going back right there. As you can see, you need to open an app and tap profile, then you need to go on to clicking on this sign, then the settings, go on to the creator tools, and then creativity program. You will be notified whether your application is successful within 3 days after you have applied right now. So basically that's how easy to join the TikTok creative and creator program right now, the creativity program, which is actually in the beta phase. But you need to know, guys, that in order for you to continue using that TikTok creativity program, or to actually be eligible for that, as you can see right now, you need to actually be in the United States, which is why it is quite much more important you go on to gaining access to a very cool virtual private network, which is a VPN called the ExpressVPN. This is a cool and reliable VPN that you can just simply go on to leveraging for this purpose and be among people that are eligible for the TikTok creativity program, and continue utilizing that so that your account will always be reading that, or your VPN and other stuff related to your TikTok account will be reading from the United States right there. That's actually quite cool. You could also go into utilizing a phone number or a SIM that is actually from the United States right there. You could actually go into removing the normal SIM from your phone and maybe go into utilizing a United States cell phone SIM card, which you can order from eBay right now. And if you gain access to that right there, you can see that you can go on to gaining access to a SIM card for as low as $5 right now. You can actually go on to scrolling through and you'll be able to see some other SIM cards right here. This one is about $7 right here, and if we do keep on scrolling through, this is about $3 right now. As you can see how cool this actually is. You can get cheap SIM cards from the United States, go on to buying right now and utilizing that on your mobile devices right there, so that it's actually going to be reading a United States SIM card right now once you actually do going on to doing the stuff related to that TikTok creativity program. And guys, for you to create cool videos that are actually quite outstanding and can enable you go on to meeting up with these eligibility requirements right now, you need to actually go on to checking out things that are actually making waves on TikTok, and just simply implementing such strategies to also go on to making such kind of videos and publishing that on TikTok. You can use strategies, guys, that are already proven to work on TikTok. I'm not saying you should copy exactly the same video. You want to just simply copy the style of the video and go on to reposting that on TikTok right there. Maybe you can actually focus on stuff like Reddit videos right here. As you can see, for the Reddit videos, it's just a simple kind of video right here, whereby you do see a game playing at the background, and you could just simply see a simple text or a simple confession right now, and a voice over playing at the background for reading that particular confession. And you could also see right here the subtitle right now, or captions to that particular voice over right now. This can easily be done right here for you right now if you do go on to gaining access to such kind of gameplay videos right there. To gain access to such kind of videos, all you need to do is to come onto this particular platform right here called YouTube, and just simply go into searching for the Minecraft Fast Parkour copyright free. And you can actually do see a lot of cool videos right here that you could just simply go into leveraging. You can see this video right here is about an hour and 20 minutes long. You can just simply go into downloading the video right now, maybe utilizing the SF online YouTube downloader website. You can actually download the video. Once you do download the video right there, all you need to do is just simply to go on to cropping the video, maybe utilizing a video editing tool. You can use editing tool like CapCut right here, which can enable you crop the video into a size that you actually do want right now. And you could also go into adding captions with the help of CapCut right here. So you could just simply go into getting voiceovers from, or getting content that you want to utilize for the voiceover from platforms like Reddit. You could also utilize platforms like ChatGPT right now. Maybe I'm actually focusing on the finance niche, the make money online niche, or the health niche. You could create content right here from ChatGPT. As you can see, I asked ChatGPT to generate 10 short motivational messages on make money niche. ChatGPT did a cool job. You could just simply go to converting these messages right now into a speech by just simply copying that, heading onto a very cool AI tool called the 11labs.io, and you could just simply paste that content in this section right here, click on generate, and that's actually going to be converted to the voiceover right now. So basically that's how simple this actually works. You can then download the voiceover, head on to CapCut right now, insert that with the video which you actually did get from YouTube, and go on to generating simple captions for the video. Then you could just simply head back to TikTok and go on to uploading that on your TikTok platform and start making money as you are actually registered on the TikTok creativity program. So this is a very cool way which you can earn money online with the TikTok creativity program right there. And if you do have any question, guys, you want to leave that in the comment section down below. Don't forget to hit the like button to the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your notification bell on all. Thank you all for watching. See you all in my next video, guys, and goodbye.